Welcome to the Learn American English channel, where you learn naturally so you can speak naturally.
In this video, we're going to learn about some utensils we use in the kitchen. Aluminum foil. Aluminum foil. Cover the leftovers with aluminum foil. Baking dish. Baking dish. Use a baking dish to cook food in the oven. Blender. Blender. I'm going to buy a blender to make smoothies. Bottle. Bottle. Many liquid products are sold in bottles. Broom. Broom. Use the broom to sweep up dirt on the floor. Cake pan. Cake pan. Most cake pans are round. Casserole dish. Casserole dish. A casserole dish can go from the oven to the table for serving. Ceiling fan. Ceiling fan. The ceiling fan keeps the kitchen cool. Cookie sheet. Cookie sheet. Use a cookie sheet to bake the cookies in the oven. Corkscrew. Corkscrew. Use a corkscrew to take the cork out of a bottle of wine. Crock pot. Crock pot. The meat will be tender and juicy when you use a crock pot. Cup. Cup. You can drink tea from a cup. Dish rack. Dish rack. After washing them, dry the dishes in the dish rack. Egg beater. Egg beater. Use an egg beater to whip the cream. Fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher. Every kitchen should have a fire extinguisher. Food processor. Food processor. It's easy to chop vegetables in a food processor. Fork. Fork. Eat a piece of cake with a fork. Garbage can. Garbage can. The garbage can is full, so please take it out. Glass. Glass. Fill the glass halfway full with milk, please. Grater. Grater. Shred the cheese with the grater. Ice cream machine. Ice cream machine. It's fun to make ice cream at home with the ice cream machine. Jug. Jug. A jug holds a lot of water. Kitchen. Kitchen. We cook our food in the kitchen. Kitchen island. Kitchen island. The kitchen island is separate from the counters. ladle, ladle. Use a ladle to serve the soup into bowls. Masher, masher. Use this masher for the potatoes. Meat grinder, meat grinder. He used a meat grinder to make hamburger meat. Mixer, mixer. I use a mixer to make whipped cream. Mop, mop. Use the mop to wipe the kitchen floor with cleaner. Mortar and pestle, mortar and pestle. Use these to grind up fresh herbs. Oven mitt, oven mitt. Use an oven mitt to hold the hot cookie tray. Pan, pan. You can cook lots of things in a pan. Pizza cutter, pizza cutter. Use a pizza cutter to make slices of pizza. Pressure cooker, pressure cooker. Food cooks fast in a pressure cooker. Refrigerator, refrigerator. The refrigerator has shelves and drawers to store food. Skewer, skewer. Shish kebabs are easy to make using a skewer. Sponge, sponge. You can wash dishes with the sponge. Slow cooker, slow cooker. Slow cooker is another name for crock pot. Spatula, spatula. Flip the eggs easily with the spatula. Teacup, teacup. Teacups are very delicate. Timer, timer. Put the cake in the oven and set the timer for 40 minutes. Toaster, toaster. You can put bagels in the toaster. Wok, wok. Oriental food is traditionally cooked in a wok. You can learn the words even better if you watch the video again. Thank you for watching the Learn American English channel, where you learn naturally so you can speak naturally. Please click the like button and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this one.